Let's start! I am your teacher Jel, and today we are going to explore how to add integers. But first, what is integers? Integers are whole numbers and their opposites, including zero. They can be positive like 1, 2, or 3, but they can be negative like -1, -2, -3, or 0. Integers are used to show quantities that can go up or go down, such as temperature, money, or game scores. Understood, kids? Very good. So when we add integers, we are really deciding how far to move left or right on the number line. So are you ready, kids? Alright, so let's start. But first, you need to know the rules in adding integers. So, if it is positive plus positive, it is equals to positive. But if it is negative plus negative, it is equals to negative. But if it is negative plus positive or positive plus negative, we need to subtract. We need to subtract them to get the difference and use the sign of the largest number or the largest integer. We have positive 2 plus positive 2 equals to positive 4. Next, negative 2 plus negative 2 equals to negative 4. Positive 4 plus negative 2 equals to positive 2. We subtract 2 from 4, so it is equals to positive 2, since 4 is greater than 2. Next, we have negative 4 plus positive 2 equals to negative 2. We subtracted 2 from 4, so it is equals to negative 2, since 4 is greater than 2.